Most predators leave behind signs: a footprint in the mud, a broken branch, fresh tracks across the forest floor. But one snake can pass through the rainforest without leaving almost any trace. For centuries, explorers, hunters, and even biologists have entered South America's dense jungles hoping to find it. Many returned empty-handed, not because the snake was rare, but because it had already seen them long before they ever noticed it. This is the Bushmaster, the largest pit viper on Earth. A snake surrounded by mystery, respected by local communities, and so secretive that a single encounter in the wild is considered a rare privilege. Today we step into its hidden world to discover how this elusive predator survives in one of the most challenging environments on the planet. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Fauna Frontier and turn on notifications for more incredible wildlife documentaries. Unlike open deserts or grassy plains, the rainforest is a world built from shadows. Towering trees block much of the sunlight. Moisture hangs in the air. The ground is covered with fallen leaves, tangled roots, and countless hiding places. For most animals, this environment is full of obstacles. For the Bushmaster, it's the perfect home. Growing over 3 meters in length, this snake is one of the longest venomous snakes in the Americas. Yet, despite its impressive size, very few people ever see one in the wild. It spends much of its life hidden beneath vegetation or resting quietly beside natural animal trails. These narrow paths are used every night by rodents, birds, and small mammals moving through the forest. The Bushmaster knows exactly where to wait, not because it can predict the future, but because generations of survival have shaped its instincts. Every hunting position is chosen with remarkable precision: a fallen log, the edge of a root system, a quiet opening between thick plants. Each location increases the chances that an unsuspecting animal will eventually pass within striking distance. Unlike many snakes that frequently change locations, the Bushmaster is surprisingly patient. If food is likely to come, there is little reason to waste valuable energy searching for it. Hours may pass, sometimes an entire night. The jungle changes constantly around it. Rain begins to fall, insects grow louder, frogs call from hidden pools. Small creatures continue their endless search for food, completely unaware that a silent predator is waiting only a few steps away. In a rainforest where survival depends on making the right move at the right moment, patience is often more powerful than speed. As darkness settles over the rainforest, the Bushmaster finally becomes active. Night offers more than cover. It brings opportunity. Rodents leave their burrows. Ground-feeding birds search for fallen seeds. Tiny mammals move cautiously through the undergrowth. The forest is now alive with movement. For the Bushmaster, this is the beginning of the hunt. Unlike animals that rely on excellent eyesight, the Bushmaster uses a different advantage. Between each eye and nostril lies a remarkable heat-sensing pit. This specialized organ can detect the body heat of nearby animals, even in complete darkness. To the Bushmaster, warm-blooded prey stands out against the cooler forest floor like a glowing target. Every tiny temperature difference provides valuable information. In the darkness, heat becomes a map. The snake remains perfectly still. Its body is hidden beneath wet leaves. Its head is aimed toward a narrow animal trail. Minutes pass, nothing happens. Then, a forest rat appears. It stops for only a moment before continuing forward. Every step brings it closer. The Bushmaster doesn't rush. Its muscles tighten. Its head lowers slightly. The distance becomes perfect. Then, the silence is shattered. With explosive speed, the Bushmaster strikes. The attack lasts less than a second. 2 long fangs drive deep into the prey. Venom is delivered instantly. Before panic can spread, the snake releases its victim. Unlike constrictors that overpower prey with strength, the Bushmaster allows its venom to do the work. The injured animal runs only a short distance before becoming too weak to continue. Only then does the Bushmaster begin to follow. Its forked tongue flicks rapidly through the air, collecting microscopic scent particles left behind by the fleeing prey. Those chemical signals are analyzed by a highly specialized sensory organ inside the roof of the mouth. Every tongue flick brings the snake closer. The trail grows stronger, Within minutes, the hunt is over. A successful meal is never wasted. The Bushmaster swallows its prey whole. Powerful muscles slowly move the meal deeper into the digestive system. After feeding, the snake may not need another large meal for several weeks. In the rainforest, finding food requires patience, so every successful hunt becomes a valuable investment in survival. Despite its incredible size, the Bushmaster is surprisingly calm. It doesn't waste energy chasing animals across the jungle. It waits, it observes, and when the moment is right, its speed is all that matters. In the world of the Bushmaster, victory doesn't belong to the fastest hunter. It belongs to the one that strikes only once and never misses. For such a powerful predator, the Bushmaster is surprisingly peaceful. It does not search for conflict. It does not waste venom on unnecessary battles. Whenever possible, its first choice is always to remain hidden. A person can walk within a few meters of a Bushmaster without ever realizing it was there. The snake depends on silence, not aggression. Only when it feels completely trapped does it prepare to defend itself. Before striking, the Bushmaster often vibrates the tip of its tail against dry leaves. The rustling sound serves as a final warning. It is nature's way of saying, "Stay away." For most animals, that warning is enough. As the seasons change, another chapter of the Bushmaster's life begins. Unlike most pit vipers, which give birth to live young, the Bushmaster lays eggs. This makes it unique among the world's largest venomous vipers. The female carefully selects a protected nesting site beneath logs, roots, or thick vegetation. She coils around her eggs, guarding them day and night, for weeks. She rarely leaves. It is an extraordinary level of parental care for a snake. When the young finally hatch, they receive no lessons, no protection, no second chances. Each hatchling enters the rainforest carrying millions of years of instinct. From the very beginning, they already know how to hide, how to hunt, and how to survive. Although stories about the Bushmaster have frightened people for generations, reality is often very different. This snake does not hunt humans. It has no interest in chasing people through the jungle. Most encounters happen by accident, usually when someone unknowingly steps too close, like countless wild animals. The Bushmaster simply wants to be left alone. Understanding that difference is one of the first steps toward respecting wildlife instead of fearing it. The rainforest is more than a collection of trees. It is a living network where every species has a purpose. Rodents consume seeds. Predators control rodent populations. Plants regenerate. The cycle continues. By keeping small mammal populations in balance, the Bushmaster quietly helps maintain the health of one of Earth's richest ecosystems. Its role may go unnoticed, but it is essential. For centuries, this snake has remained one of the rainforest's greatest mysteries. Rarely seen, seldom understood, almost never forgotten by those fortunate enough to witness it in the wild. The Bushmaster doesn't rely on speed to earn respect. It doesn't rely on size alone. Its greatest strength lies in patience, precision, and the ability to remain invisible until the perfect moment arrives. In the endless shadows of the rainforest, some legends are not created by noise. They are created by silence. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fauna Frontier, and turn on notifications for more incredible wildlife documentaries.